Good morning, class 7. So we have completed with the poem daffodils and we have done the exercise also, question answers and exercise also. Now we have come to the last page of your book, that is 130, page number 130. That is second term sample paper. It is not that important, but still I am doing it for you. So we should solve it. It will be a practice for you. So we should have started with the grammar because lot of part of grammar is left. So I would like to note down the grammar part. In literature, you know that unit 4, 5 and 6 will come. So for the grammar part, you can write down syllabus for essay 2. In reader, unit 4, 5 and 6. Clear? And in the grammar part, we have lot of lessons left. So we will start doing from the chapter 14, adverbs, then chapter 16, prepositions, chapter 17, conjunctions, chapter 18, direct and indirect, chapter 19 again, reported speech, two and this is one. Then we have clauses, phrases, chapter 20, clauses, then chapter 21, phrases, chapter 22 and 23. We will do chapter 22 only. If we will get time, then we will do the chapter 23. Otherwise, 22 is more important, so we will do that first. Sentences and its kind. Because इतना हम पेपर में डाल भी नहीं सकते हैं. There are so many topics and it limited 20 marks की आपकी grammar आएगी. उसमें इतने सारे topics में तो हम कैसे करेंगे? So it is already too much. So no need for that. Phrasal verbs, idioms, there's so much. Phrasal verbs, chapter 25 is idioms. Chapter 27, prefix, suffix. Story writing you people have already done, I think. Summary writing is left. Chapter 35 is summary writing. So, all this we have to do, and this much will come in your essay too. So we have to move very fast and we have to complete these important topics. So afterwards, if we'll get the time, we'll do the rest one. Otherwise, these are more than enough for you. So now we will start with the last page, that is a second term sample paper. Now come to that. 2021 Monday. Yes. So this is the second term sample paper. It is page 130. Now we will start. What do you say? Write as given in the example. So you want someone to open the window for you. So how will you ask? So first one is done for you. You will start your request with the modal. Could you open the window please? Right. So similarly we have to write what we want to say when we want someone to do this thing for us. You are in a class and you want someone to say something again. So how will you say? Could you please repeat it again? Yeah, could you please repeat it? So we will write, no, you are in a train and you want to sit down. So the second one is A part. So what will you say? You will say you are in train and you want to sit down. So you will ask, may I have a seat here? Or may I sit here? May I sit here? So you will ask like this. So you are in a class and you want someone to say something again. So how will you ask? Could you repeat it please? Question mark. You are in a class and you want someone to spell something for you. So again you will start with, could you please spell it? Fifth, you are in class and you want to leave early. So you will ask, may I leave early? You want someone to help you. Could anybody help me? So these are the polite requests. Add commas or colons in the correct places. My favorite foods are hamburgers, comma. So I'll do this orally only. I'm speaking and you will do it. My favorite foods are hamburgers, comma, pizzas, comma, chocolates and lollies. Get these things. Things के बाद आप लगाएंगे colon. Colon is like this and comma is this. So get these things, colon, things के बाद colon, books, comma, pens, comma, papers, comma, pencils and crayons. This is what he said. Said के बाद comma, the Indian flag is tricolor. That's it. The instructions read as के बाद आप colon लगाएंगे. The instructions read as colon, wash lightly in cold water. Yesterday we saw tigers, comma, lions, comma, elephants, comma, leopards and cheetahs. So use a word from the box to complete each simile. So we will discuss in detail about each part of the punctuation when we will do this chapter in the grammar. So now we have to complete this fast so that we can start with the grammar part. Use a word from the box to complete each simile. The lamp is as white as snow. Write down snow. The lamp is as white as snow. C part. First. Second. She is as busy as a bee बोलते हैं हम हमेशा. ठीक है. White as a snow busy as a bee. Little sister is as playful as a kitten. जो kittens होते हैं वो बहुत playful होते हैं. They don't sit idle. They keep on moving here and there and playing. So that is why if a child is very playful, so we compare it with a kitten. So the top of this table is as smooth as a silk. जो silk cloth होता है, it is very smooth. That is why when we talk about smooth, we compare that smoothness to the silk. The cloth was as black as a coal. हम अगर किसी black चीज़ की बात करते हैं तो हम ऐसा बोलते हैं कि वो इतना काला है जैसे कि कोयला. As black as a coal. Sixth is the wet ball was as slippery as an eel. Eel is a water animal. बहुत slippery होती है ये. आपने टीवी में डिस्कवरी या एनिमल प्लैनेट पे देखा होगा. तो ये हाथ में नहीं आती है. अगर आप इसे पकड़ने की कोशिश करेंगे तो इसकी बॉडी इतनी स्लिपरी होती है कि हाथ से निकल जाती है. Change the nouns in the brackets to a thinking verb. I dash that we should leave at 4 o'clock. Agreement. I agree. तो हमने सिर्फ thinking verb बनाना है agreement को. तो how we will change it? Means we can't use this agreement here. So we will change this word into a thinking verb. I agree that we should leave at 4 o'clock. तो first one में आएगा agree. Second में आएगा, this is D part. He was dashed by the story. Amazement. So he was amazed. Third, the new boy, boastfulness. तो इसका बन जाएगा boasted. The new boy boasted about his achievements. I dash what would happen next. Wonder, I wondered. I wondered what would happen next. He dash being forced to eat meat. He hated being forced to eat meat. The next is what are the comparative and superlative. It is written superline. Correct it. It is superlative forms of these adjectives. So this is E part. We have to write comparative and superlative. So here the word is fit. Fitter. Fittest. Second is graceful. First of all, we will write down all the words, then we will do it. Okay. So third word is delicious. Fourth is narrow. Fifth is naughty. Sixth is attractive. Seventh is funny. Eighth is dangerous. So now we will change it into the comparative as well as the superlative forms. Fit, fitter, fittest, graceful, more graceful. And यहाँ पे लग जाएगा most graceful. Delicious. Again we will add more. Delicious. And here we will write most. Same, delicious. Narrow. Narrow. Because in comparative we use ER at the end. Narrow. EST. Est. In the superlative degree we add EST, and in comparative degree At the end we add er. Mostly. Naughty, naughtier. Naughtier, naughtiest. Attractive, we will add more attractive. And most attractive. Funny, funnier, funniest. More dangerous and most dangerous. So with this we have completed the E part also. Then the F part, write possible questions for these answers. So we have to write the possible questions, what can be. My best friend is David. So you have to form a question for that. Who is your best friend? So the answer will be, my best friend is David. My favorite sport is cricket. So what will be the question for this answer? Which is your favorite sport? F part. This one is second. Which is your favorite sport? Okay. So third question. I think it opens at 7 a.m. So how we will form the question for that? I think it opens at 7 a.m. At what time it opens? At what time it opens? Or we can use by what time, but at what time भी ठीक है, by what time भी ठीक. He likes books about dinosaurs. So the question will be, what type of books he likes? He likes books about dinosaurs. We have done this. Now the fifth one is the John has gone to the movies. So the question will be, where has the John gone? Where has the John gone? Where has John gone? Where John has gone. My grandmother is 82 years old. How old is your grandmother? So we have completed the F part also. Now underline the base word in each of the following. In the first word, what is the base word? Pleasant. So you underline this word. Second is honor. Third is formal. Fourth is respect. Fifth is prison. Sixth is certain. Seventh is employment. Eighth is employ भी आ सकता है, ninth तो बाद में लगेगा. Employ. Appear. construct. So all you have to underline. You have to underline the base word up here. So all these are the base words within these words. We have formed these words using these words. So with the pleasant we have made unpleasantness, dishonor, और formal का क्या बना था? Informally. So like this we have to underline the basic words. Take the correct alternative. I don't think I can be able to go. I don't think I can. I shall be able to go. I think यहाँ पे आएगा I don't think I'll be able to go. So here I think can लगेगा. I don't think I can be. I could be. Could तो है ही नहीं. I don't think I can be able. I don't think I shall. We must. We dash respect our parents. We ought to respect, we should respect, or we must respect. There is a very slight difference between all these modals. So almost we can use, there is a very minute difference between all these words. So that is why we have to just think before we means write the suitable word. So we must respect our parents, or we should. We should respect our parents. We must भी लग सकता है. It can be must also. You dash be honest. You should be honest. I wish they should not play their music system soon. I wish they will not play. I wish they would not play. I wish they will not play. Will. The PM dash give a speech tomorrow. The PM would. The PM would give a speech tomorrow. So now we come to the last page. That is for fun, just for fun. So you have to do it yourself, right? So the page number, it is your homework. Page 132. Do it yourself. So this is your homework. Class 7. You have to complete this yourself. Now with this we have completed this your book, and from now onwards we will start with the grammar part, and I have already told you that which chapters we are going to do in that grammar part, right? So we will do a briefing regarding your, so which at page number 155, we can start with that. Prefixes and suffixes. So I can give you that as a for reading also, right? Yeah, so we can do this. So let's start with the grammar part also. prefix and suffix. This is chapter 27. Of your grammar part. So open your books at page number 155. So today we are going to start with the prefix and suffix. So it is a very simple topic, so we can just start with this. Okay. Yes, so what is prefix? Prefix is a syllable and a group of syllables or a word joined to the beginning of the other words to change their meanings to create a new word. So it's a syllable, means एक sound है एक तरह से, right? और a group of syllable, एक sound भी हो सकती है या दो syllables भी हो सकते हैं, और it can be more than two also. So prefix, as the name suggests, prefix, as the name suggests, it is added in the beginning of the word. It is joined or added. It is word joined in the beginning of the word. Word, and it changes its meaning also. To change the meaning. So you have to write down the definitions in your books, and I will tell you that how much you have to write in your notebooks. So few of this prefixes and suffixes with examples you will write in your notebooks also to create a new words. Change their meanings also and to create a new word. And a new word is created. Right? So two things happens. When a prefix is added, it is joined in the beginning of the word and it changes its meaning totally, and a new word is formed by adding. Now for example, we'll take the word anti. So this is a difficult word. I'll prefer the easier one for just giving the example. Like take the word extra. Now we will take this extra. This we will be adding. इसके साथ हम कुछ add करेंगे. Extra के साथ हम कुछ और add कर देंगे. Ordinary. तो हमारा क्या word बन गया? Extra ordinary. Prefix लगा दिया हमने इसके साथ. तो दो words को हमने join किया. ये हमने प्रीफिक्स इस वर्ड के साथ, बेस वर्ड के साथ ज्वाइन किया, और एक नया वर्ड यहाँ पे, दिस इज अ न्यू वर्ड एंड इट हैज अ डिफरेंट मीनिंग ऑल्सो, और इसका एक डिफरेंट मीनिंग भी है, राइट? ऑर्डिनरी, वेरी सिंपल, यूजुअल जो आप देखते आ रहे हैं, बट व्हेन वी हैव यूज्ड added a prefix to it, extra, so it has become a new word as well as it has a different meaning also. Extraordinary हमारा बन जाता है. Extra का मतलब क्या होता है? Beyond और outside, इससे भी ज़्यादा. तो ordinary के साथ extra लग गया तो वो क्या बन गया? Extraordinary. So you have to write down all these, not all these, like there are so many, no? So you just write down 10 each. Write 10 of prefixes, okay, and do this exercise number 1 in your books also, in your notebooks also. ये जो exercise है आपने अपनी notebook में करनी है, ठीक है? तो you read this page number 155. I'll give you a briefing of this. Now anti is a prefix. एंटी के आगे इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? एंटी मीन्स बिफोर, और अगर हम इसके आगे इसके साथ हम नेटल लगा दें तो क्या बन जाएगा? बिफोर नेटल मीन्स एंटी नेटल. एंटी डेट लगा दिया हमने इसके साथ तो बन गया बिफोर डेट. ठीक है, बिकॉज इसका मीनिंग जो है वो है एंटी मीन्स बिफोर. नाउ इफ वी टेक एंटी, ANTI, इट मीन्स अगेंस्ट और इसका ऑपोजिट. एंटी ऑक्सीडेंट, ऑक्सीडेंट को जो मीन्स अगेंस्ट उसके फाइट करता है वो बन गया एंटीऑक्सीडेंट. लाइक एंटीडोट, एंटीसेप्टिक, जो सेप्टिक के अगेंस्ट फाइट करेगा वो बन जाएगा एंटीसेप्टिक. सो एक तो नया वर्ड बन गया और दूसरा इनका एक डिफरेंट मीनिंग हो गया. तो प्रीफिक्सेस आर ऑलवेज जॉइंट in the beginning to the beginning of the word and it creates a new word as well as with a different meaning. Now the third word is auto. Auto means self, जो आप खुद करते हैं. ऑटो के साथ हमने मैटिक लगा दिया, ऑटोमैटिक, अपने आप हो जाता है. ऑटोमैटिक, ऑटो मीन्स खुद करना, मैटिक ऑटोमैटिक मीन्स खुद से हो गया. देन ऑटोमोबाइल, मोबाइल चलने वाला, ऑटो, ऑटोमोबाइल मीन्स खुद चलने वाला, तो ऑटोमोबाइल बन गया. ऑटोबायोग्राफी, ऑटो सेल्फ, बायोग्राफी होता है अपनी हिस्ट्री लिखना, तो ऑटोबायोग्राफी मीन्स अपनी हिस्ट्री, लाइफ हिस्ट्री खुद लिखना, दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑटोबायोग्राफी. बाय, BI, बाय, बाय मीन्स टू और ट्वाइस, दो से रिलेट होता है. बाय एनुअल, एनुअल होता है ईयरली, बाय एनुअल क्या बन गया, 2 times इन अ ईयर, बाय एनुअल. बाइनरी, बाइनियल, बाइसिकल, साइकिल, साइकिल के आगे हमने बाय लगा दिया मीन्स विद 2 wheels वाला बाइसिकल. एक बाइसिकल होता है, एक साइकिल होता है उसकी 3 होती है, उसको हम बोलते हैं ट्राइसिकल. बट ये बाइसिकल इसलिए है क्योंकि इसके 2 cycles हैं, 2 wheels हैं. बायो, बायो मीन्स लाइफ, इसके साथ हमने लॉजी लगा दिया, बायोलॉजी लग गया, बन गया, है ना. बायोगैस, बायोग्राफी. सो ऑल दीज यू कैन check the meaning in the dictionary. It will add to your vocabulary also. So you can do it and you should do it yourself. Check out the meanings. By means less important. Byproduct, थोड़ा उससे कम. By law, law से नीचे. Co means together. Cooperate हम बोलते हैं, cooperate, operate करना किसी चीज़ को. कोऑपरेट मीन्स इकट्ठे होकर काम करना. को-ऑथर, को-एजुकेशन, को-एजुकेशन मीन्स बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, को-एड. डी द नेगेटिव और द ऑपोजिट, लाइक डी-कोड, डिमोट, डेटोनेट और डी-रेल मीन्स नेगेटिव, ऑपोजिट हो जाता है उसका. डी-रेल मीन्स जो रेल थी वो पटरी से नीचे आ गई, डिरेल्ड. डिस, ऑपोजिट, द ऑपोजिट ऑफ और टू रिमूव. डिसमिस, हटा देना, रिमूव कर देना. डिसकनेक्ट, अगेन इट इज यूज्ड इन द रिमूविंग समथिंग. डिसऑनेस्ट, डिसएंटेंगल, तो इसके आगे हम डिस लगा देते हैं, दैट मीन्स इट टर्न्स इनटू अ नेगेटिव और द ऑपोजिट ऑफ. So likewise there are so many and you have to read this page. आपको ये पेज 155, this is your homework. Write the definition of prefix and 10 examples with meaning and examples. In your notebook. Do exercise number 1 in notebooks. आपने एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1 भी करनी है, नोटबुक्स में करनी है, खुद करेंगे आप ट्राई. ओके, यू विल डू इट योरसेल्फ, देन वी विल डिस्कस इट इन द अनदर लेक्चर. सो डू दिस एक्सरसाइज ऑल्सो ऑन पेज नंबर 157. डू इट योरसेल्फ. सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क. राइट डाउन.